Is growing lettuce more trouble than it's worth? We'll review 5 varieties to see if any of them make the cut. Some incredible. I've been growing it for 6 years. This lettuce is perfection. Some not. Not only will I share my insights on flavor and growth, but we'll also see which one gets the tail-wagging approval of my dog, Charlie. Will his favorite match mine? Let's find out. We're using a straightforward rating system that looks at taste, appearance, how easily they're cultivated, and more. This way you'll know exactly which lettuce deserves a spot in your garden, and possibly what not to waste your time on. Lettuce mixes at the store are pricey, making lettuce one of the most economical crops to grow yourself. While store-bought lettuce often lacks flavor, the varieties that I grew this year are packed with taste, some not so good. And I believe this is because of my soil. It's rich in nutrients, both micro and macronutrients, thanks to compost, azomite, and periodic applications of organic fertilizer. All the varieties were grown in the same bed, with the exception for one. We'll go over that later. In identical soil conditions. I sowed them together in a single cup, then transplanted them into trays once their seed leaves opened and turned green. Under T5 lights, they developed their first true leaves and strong root balls before moving to the garden. Now they're mature in their first and second rounds of harvest. I pick a leaf or two from each plant daily, allowing for continuous harvests over months. Now let's go into the reviews. First up is Yulli from Rare Seeds. This ancient Romanian type lettuce has been cultivated for over 1,500 years in historic Constantinople. It featured long, spaced-out leaves with a crisp center and tender, naturally oily leaves that allegedly need no dressing. Renowned for its incredible flavor, it's excellent for salads and grilling. Next is Salanova from Johnny's Seed Company. This exclusive variety forms dense rosette heads with thin, supple leaves and a delicate, buttery flavor. One cut around the corner yields an impressive number of uniform leaflets perfect for salads. You don't need to cut it, nothing. It withstands multiple cuts and has excellent bolt tolerance. Salanova is a highly engineered variety with impressive stats. I've been growing it for 6 years. This lettuce is perfection, and Johnny's knows it. That's why we only get 25 seeds per packet. The seeds are pelleted and don't last long, 1, maybe 2 seasons. Merlot is the third variety on my list. It's reputed to be the darkest red lettuce in existence, but in this experiment it isn't. Nonetheless, the leaves are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants. If you want to know more about this compound, check out this video here. This lettuce has wavy to frilly leaves that are crisp and waxy, with excellent both bolt resistance and great cold tolerance. It's ideal for late fall to winter crops. Great for baby greens or cut and come again harvesting. It's also rich in potassium and vitamin A. This lettuce is visually striking and possibly the healthiest we're looking at today. Beautiful and smart. Larger leaves need to be chopped for salads. The impressive Salanova Buttercrisp has a cousin, that is red oakleaf variety. It features lobed salad bowl type leaves, forming dense heads with deep, shiny leaves. This is ideal for salads. It's resistant to downy mildew and lettuce aphids. These leaves need no preparation other than rinsing, just like all of the other lettuces. You don't want to be chewing on sand and dirt. Lastly, we have Little Gem from Rare Seeds. It's a romaine-style lettuce with big leaves. It grew so bitter that I chose never to pick it and eat it. It grew well though and looks good, but produces a lot of lettuce latex, the white sap commonly seen when bolting. Rare Seeds claims this lettuce tastes great and is heat resistant. Take this negative review with a grain of salt. Sometimes gardening can throw curveballs, just like the one that I saw this year when I first sowed the black carrots. Check out that video here. I may try planting Little Gem one more time, not two, one more time. But with so many great varieties, I don't really have high hopes. What's the point? I've found some great lettuce. Now, let's taste test these. But before we do, if you're enjoying this video, like and subscribe for more gardening tips and reviews. And if you want to take it a step further, consider becoming a member of this channel. As a member, you'll receive a crop share of the seeds that I grow each year, including my favorites from this list. That's hundreds of seeds with dozens of varieties, all for less than $2 a month. It's a great way to support the channel and grow your own garden with the best seeds out there. Now let's get to the dining room to taste test. Okay, Charlie, which one do you like? Go ahead. Pick one. Which one? This one? Charlie, wait. Okay, get it, boy, get it. Okay. Good boy.